Hello and welcome to this Themify screencast. Over the next couple of minutes, I'm going to quickly show you how you can use Themify Builder to build and customize your website. I'm going to get started straight away by dropping into this blank page I set up and turning on Builder by hovering over on the admin bar and clicking Turn on Builder. This brings up Builder's interface, and you can see here at the bottom I have the modules, and up here I have Builder's grid, and this is resizable and I can create the grid layout I want. I'd like a slider on the top left grid. I'm just going to drag and drop the slider. Dropping the slider brings up this interface where I can choose the content I want to display here. So I'm going to go for blog posts in the category news with 3 posts to display, no extra content, and I'm going to leave the rest of those options as they are by default. Hit save on that, and that's going to generate that slider. To accompany the slider, on the right hand side I'm going to drop in a text module. Just drag and drop. As the text module supports shortcodes, here I can just switch to text mode and drop in this shortcode here. Hit save on that, and that's going to generate those images. Moving on down the page then, I'm just going to show you a couple more modules. You can see this new grid is automatically created below. So I'm just going to change this grid so it's in 3 equal sized columns here. And I'm going to populate this grid with 3 more modules here. So we'll start off with the map module, which I'm going to drop into this middle one here. And here I just need to pop in the address I want. So I'll just go for London, UK. I can add a title if I would like to. So let's add one here. Hit save, and that's going to generate that map. And I'm going to flank that with a gallery. Just drag and drop where you want it, and it will bring up the options. And here clicking insert gallery will bring up the WordPress media library. So I'd like 6 images here. So I'm just going to choose those 6 and hit add to gallery. So I'm going to hit save, which will generate that gallery of 6 images there. On the right hand side of our map, I'm going to drop in an image module. So I just need to find the image module, drag and drop it in. I'm going to browse my library for an image to display here. And we'll just go for that one in the middle there. And then when I'm happy with the rest of those options, just hit save, and that generates that image there. So moving on down the page, I'm going to create a new grid below this one. I'm going to start off by dropping in a menu, so just drag and drop the menu module, and then that brings up the options where I can select one of the custom menus I've created using the WordPress menu creator. So I'd like my main menu displaying here, and I'll go for rounded without the gradient. Directly below my menu, I'm going to drop in a tabbed area. So to drop a module directly below, just drag and drop, and Builder will create space for it there. And here I'm just going to go for a standard tabbed layout and just going to drop in some dummy content here. I'm happy with that, so I'm just going to hit save, which is going to generate my tabs. I'm going to show you the widget module, and you can use this to display any widget you've got set up with your WordPress installation. So I'm going to go for just the calendar, just to show you how this works. If I'd like to display another widget below my calendar widget here, I can do so just by duplicating the module and then editing it to change the type of widget. So here I can just hover over, hit duplicate, and then double click or hit the edit button to bring back up that options panel. And here I'll just display my archives with the title archives. If I wanted to change those around, I could just drag and drop. To display a whole widgetized area though, I just need to drag and drop the widgetized module where I'd like it to go. So I'd like this on the far right hand side, and here I can select the widgetized area I'd like, and I'm going to go for sidebar here. Hit save on that, and that's going to drop the whole sidebar onto my Builder grid. So now if I turn off Builder, you can see what we've created in just a couple of minutes. This 3-column layout with the menu, the tabs, and the widgets and the widgetized area. This equal 3-column layout of gallery, map, and image, and at the top I've got this magazine style slider and featured content area. Themify Builder is available in all Themify themes or as a standard WordPress plugin which works with any theme, whether it's a premium theme, a framework, or a custom built theme. It's completely responsive and works on desktop, tablet, and mobile. Thank you very much for watching.